Today's topic is meiosis. ये चलाना। Meiosis, there are two cell divisions during meiosis. Meiosis 1, meiosis 2. Idea of the meiosis is reduction division, in which the chromatid, there are 23 in each cell instead of 46 chromatid in each cell in mitosis. In mitosis, what we have seen is the each cell receive daughter cell that receive the 46 chromatids, whereas at the end of meiosis, each cell will receive 23 chromatid or n number of chromosome or haploid number of chromosome. N is 23 or haploid number. This occurs in gonads, so that in male and female cells, which are oogonia and spermatogonia, the spermatogonia change into sperms which have 23 chromatid, and the female oogonia in secondary and tertiary oocyte finally have the 23 chromatid. 23 chromatid from male, 23 from female, they combine to form the 46 chromatid, which is zygote. So in this way, the diploid number is achieved, which is normal human cell number. So here the mechanism we will discuss, how the daughter cell receive 23 chromatid instead of 46. So meiosis 1 is divided into 4 phases: prophase, metaphase 1, because it is meiosis 1 and 2. There are two, meiosis 1, meiosis 2. Meiosis 1, so we'll write the 1, prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. Prophase 1, it is divisible into further 5 substages or 5 steps. First step is the leptoteme, second is zygoteme, third is pachyteme, 4 is the diploteme, and 5 is the diakinesis. These are 5 phases are in prophase 1. What is leptoteme? In leptoteme, the homologous chromosome, maternal and paternal, maternal mean mother and paternal mean father, copies of same chromosomes, which are replicated in a preceding S phase, and each consists of sister chromatids joined at centromere located within the nucleus. So in this phase, what we have seen is they are replicated. The chromosome, they are undergo, actually the cell has the 46 chromatid, and each develop its sister chromatid, as we have discussed in the mitosis. So that become the, you can say, 92 chromatid. That is the, before starting this phase, the cell which is having the 46 chromatid develop its sister chromatid. They become double each, and they become the double number of the chromatid. But the chromosome actually by definition is the two chromatid together known as chromosome. So the chromosome number will remain 46. Although the chromatid are 92, but chromosome number is 46. How? That two chromatid together name is given chromosome. So they are joined at centromere located within the nucleus. They make a cross like this. They make a cross and exchange their genetic material. This is the point of crossing name is given chiasma. Genetic exchange are turned into chiasma. Chiasma, what is chiasma? Are knots that hold homologous chromosome together. Chiasma. Pachytene stage. So when synapsis is complete for all chromosomes, which means that these were the 46 chromatid, they develop their sister chromatid to change into chromosome instead of chromatid, and total chromosome were 46. They make a pair. So how much total pair is formed? 23, because total number is 46 chromosome. When they form like two chromosome form a pair, the total pair become 23. Individually they are 46, but when they form a pair like this, they become 23 pairs or bivalents. When this an exchange occurs in one limb, other is free. Other limb is not participating in exchange. So when synapsis is complete, 23 pairs, when they complete their synapsis, the cell is said to be in pachytene. Pachytene means patch, a patch of the chromatin material that is exchanged. Patch. So word used is pachytene. Here this blue will attach with the red and red will attach to the blue. Here they will exchange. So because at the moment a patch is formed, the pachytene stage. Each bivalent consists of two pair of sister chromatid held together by synaptonemal complex. Genetic recombination is completed in this stage as per chromosome arm, as it has been shown like this picture, that this is the red chromosome which get the blue part from this limb. This limb, this is a part is shifted to this, whereas the red part is shifted to the blue, this small component. This is the red part at the point of chiasma, which shown previously. So red limb partly shift to this blue, and below this one part is shifted to red, so that genetic change occurs. Diplotin stage synaptonemal complex is disassembled. As previously shown that two chromosomes held together by synaptonemal complex that dissolve, that is the adhesive material is dissolved, and pair of the homologous chromosome get much shortened, they become smaller, except crossing over as occurred chiasmata. With the point of chiasmata, that that is the that remain there. In ovaries, primary oocyte become diplotin by the fifth month of intrauterine life, In ovaries, primary oocyte becomes diplotin. In this diplotin stage, by the fifth month of intrauterine life, that and remain in this stage until before ovulation up to 50 years. This is a very important MCQ question that how the oocyte persists in ovary. In ovary, they from the fifth month of intrauterine life up to 50 years, the oocyte persists in diplotin stage. An option is asked that is the zygotine, placentin stage or diakinesis, but that is the answer is diplotin. Diplotin stage that persists. It is said to be more stable stage where the denaturation of the DNA does not occur, and it is more stable. It can persist for up to 50 years. Now, oocytes are selected by the FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, 15 to 20 in each cycle, and those are present in diplotin stage. Diakinesis is the prometaphase, that is before the second phase, that is chromosome attached to the spindle. Just the nuclear membrane break and the chromosome are set free from the cell. It resembles the mitotic metaphase except body is attached to the spindle microtubules are bivalent. Here the only difference is from mitosis is here the full chromosome is attached to the spindle, whereas in mitosis the single chromatid is attached to the spindle. Here is the full 46 chromosome attached to the center of the mitotic spindle, which the name is given equatorial plate, equator of the earth, world. Similarly, it is attached to the spindle, center of spindle, where is the maximum diameter of the spindle, because at this side is narrow, it is narrow spindle, the central part is wider. So name is given equator, they are attached. One pair is attached by a chromosomal fiber as previously discussed to one side, other pair is attached to the other side. So when separation occurs, one pair is carried to this pole, second is carried to this pole. It is not attached to each chromosome is not attached by chromosomal fiber to both poles. No. It is this set is attached to this set is attached to this. So they can easily be carried by shortening of these fibers. Fiber shorten by breaking down, and this pair will be carried to this side. This which is attached to this side will be carried to the other side. They are not single chromosome. So it is not a single chromatid. Homologous pair occupy the equatorial plate. Centromere of the each pair of sister chromatid function as a single unit facing a single spindle pole, which I have explained. That each one is attached by a single fiber, that is to one side, and this is attached to the other side. Unit facing a single spindle pole, not both poles. Homologous chromosomes, they are pulled toward the opposite spindle pole. Chromosome chiasmata which help in alignment, otherwise non-disjunction occur. This is the chiasmata of the chromosome. They hold the two chromosomes together. Later on it separate, but it keep it in alignment. if they fail to unknot, या knot है यहाँ पे chiasma पे, there is a knot. If they fail to unknot, then abnormal number occur because the two chromosomes will move towards one side. That will become the 24 and this will become 22 because the 46 pair है. When one pair shift towards this side, other is the other side, so they equally pass on 23 toward this side, 23 to this side. But if the one pair that failed to separate at chiasma, which is the word used non-disjunction, that two will pass on toward this side. So here become 24, here become 22. And a condition which is aneuploid abnormal number embryo, that is Down syndrome, trisomy, which means 3 at 21, the number of chromosomes. Anaphase and telophase. Anaphase 1 of meiosis begins with the release of cohesion between the arms of the sister chromatids. This unties the knots of chiasma. There is a knot at this point is chiasma crossing over. It unknots that open and allow the homologous chromosome to separate and migrate to opposite spindle pole. Sister centromere and chromatid do not separate during anaphase 1. Cytoplasmic division occurs. In female, unequal division takes place as one egg and one polar body. That is one large cell, other is very small polar body. Cytoplasm division is unequal. Otherwise, genetic, that is DNA, other organelles of the cell, they are equally distributed to both cells, whether it is small or large. They are equally distributed. If there is a 10 mitochondria is there and the 5 will be here, 5 will be in here. Similarly, the other elements that will be equally distributed, but cytoplasm is less in polar body and the more in the other. In male, spermatocytes remain joined by small cytoplasmic bridges. Meiosis 2, in it, no DNA synthesis occurs. The centromeres of the sister chromatid remain paired. There is loss of cohesion between the centromere. So, in it, no DNA synthesis occurs. Meiosis 2. Centromere of the sister chromatids. Here we can say that meiosis 2 is the phenomena. After the meiosis 1, two cells are formed, daughter cells, each having 23 pairs, and other is also having 23 pairs. In meiosis 2, what happening? One cell which is having 23 pairs, that divide. When that will divide, the daughter cell will, at the end of meiosis 2, will receive 23 chromatid and other will also receive 23 chromatid because the cell was having the 23 chromosome, which is double chromatid. So after division, one cell will receive 23 chromatid, other will receive 23 chromatid. So in this way, the number is reduced, which is the haploid number, which is 23 chromatid. In it, no DNA synthesis occurs. Centromere of the sister chromatid remain paired. They are paired. There is loss of cohesion between the centromere. Chromatid separate but separating chromatid are genetically different. This is important because at the point of chiasma exchange occurs between genetic material, so they are genetically different due to genetic recombination. Cytoplasmic division occurs and four haploid cells are formed. As shown over here, that is it is the mitosis phenomena. The nuclear material which is initially present in coiled form that recognizable into the chromosomes or chromatid which develop its copy, replica. They are actually chromatid, they develop its copy and they become total 46 chromosomes. 46 chromosome nuclear membrane break, outside spindle is formed and they settle on the center of the spindle, wider part. This is the narrow part. 46 chromosomes they settle over here. Now each chromosome is a double structure chromosome, which means two chromatid, 1 and 2. Now these chromatid will separate in mitosis. These are the single chromatid which are moving towards one pole, they are moving toward other pole, so they are approaching over here. So what has been achieved in daughter cell? This one daughter cell, this is the other daughter cell. Spindle will break in the center. Now each will receive 46 chromatid in mitosis, and here is the 46 chromatid. So these are the two daughter cells, each having 46 chromatid. 46 chromatid. They were 46 chromosome, which in daughter cell, now they will develop their replica or duplicate copy, sister chromatid, and they become again become 46 chromosome. Other will receive other chromatid. So how many chromatid in each cell? 23. There were 23 pair. Now they will give 23 chromatid to one cell and 23 chromatid to other cell. Similarly, this will give 23 chromatid and 23 chromatid from second meiotic division. So four daughter cells will having haploid number of chromosomes, which is 23. There is also shown a phenomena of the mitosis, that initially the single chromatid will develop its replica, which is the sister chromatid. They will settle on the spindle, 23 chromosome, 46 chromosome. Then they give alignment over here, and you can see that 46 chromosomes will split and into 46 chromatid on one side